get close. Hello. Today I'm going to be opening 2 boxes. These 2 came as a package set from Walmart, which I don't typically recommend buying your cards from Walmart because they tend to be overpriced, but I was at Walmart and I have very little impulse control, so I bought them. They were together, they were packaged together, and they had a sticker on the front that said holiday bundle 25% off, and it was like 20 something dollars for the 2 when they're usually about 15 each, I would say. I think that's how much I paid for, or a little about how much I paid for the Mewtwo box that I did a little bit ago. So this is still part of the pin collection. It's the Mimikyu pin collection, and I believe the Sun and Moon booster packs, I think, so it's a little old. And then the Taboo Cocoa pin collection box. So I'm going to go ahead and, yeah, we're going to open these. Alright, so let's begin with the Taboo Cocoa. I think I'm saying that correctly. Taboo Cocoa box. Flip it over. Let's see. Taboo Cocoa is one of the guardian Pokemon of the Alola region, with a deep connection to the land itself. With the Taboo Cocoa pin collection, you get Taboo Cocoa both as a fun collector's pin and as a never-before-seen foil promo card. Stand ready to guard the islands with Taboo Cocoa. And it comes with the foil promo, the pin, and then 3 booster packs. Sun and Moon, I think? Or which ones? Guardians Rising? Let's see. Let's find out. The box was a little beat up out of the package, which, I mean, I'm going to destroy the box anyway, but that still peeves me a little bit. So here is the pin. I like how detailed he is, you know, since my camera focuses so nicely on him. It won't. I think my background, there's too much stuff going on back here. I need to get a backdrop one for filming, but pretend he's in focus. He's detailed and he looks nice. And my nails do not. So ignore those. Or throw away the backs. Alright, so here we got the foil. Oh my god. Hey! Hey, there we go. So here's the promo card. Sorry, I'm just super excited. Here's the foil promo card. Alright, so we've got a Steam Siege and 2 Rising, or Guardians Rising. Let's go ahead and start with the Steam Siege. And here's that, whatchamacallit, if you want it, because I do not. So let's start with the Steam Siege first. I will at one point remember to open these not facing the camera. So here's that. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Alright, so we've got a Lampent, Klefki, Captivating Pokepuff, a Dino, however you say him, a Litleo, Nosepass, Seedot, Clauncher, a Reverse Hollow Weevil, and a Probopass. So, nothing too exciting there. So let's go with the Sun and Moon Guardians Rising. That. So excited I finally got this to focus. Don't know how I did it, but I did it. Let's see, Marini, I think so I say it, Hala, Aether, Paradise Conservation Area, Wishy Washy, Nosepass, I see something shiny in the back there, Wimpod, Goomy, Wailmer, a Reverse Hollow Gliscor, and a Tortonator GX. Hey! That's neat. Neat. That's neato, my friends. And a Fairy Energy. But, yeah, that's a nice pull. Place that on top. Alright, so let's go in the other Guardians Rising. Can we hope for another GX? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to bite it. Don't use your teeth, kids. Alright. So here. Oh no, we're out of focus again. 3 to the front. Some of these were a little beat up there in the corner. I don't know if you can see that. A little, oh, that bug, that irks me, fresh out of a pack. That could be from my teeth, but we'll see. So we've got a Tentacruel, an out of focus Max Potion, an out of focus Machoke, an out of focus Rockruff. Excuse my sniffing. I'm got some allergies going on. Oh, and it's one of those crochet cards. I like those. I don't know if you can tell. Hello. Focus. But it's a crochet, whatever. Slowpoke. Mudbray. Oh, the little reverse hollow clay Trubbish. That's precious. I always loved collecting these. And a hollow Goodra. Which that's pretty neat. And then a Steel Energy. Alright, so that's it for the Taboo Cocoa box. Pretty good. Where'd he go? He's in there somewhere, but not too bad. Not too bad at all. For a Turtonator GX. He was in focus at one point. So let's move on to the Mimikyu pin box. Alright, so for the Mimikyu pin box. Lonely little Mimikyu dresses up as Pikachu because it wants to make lots of new friends like you. With the Mimikyu pin collection, you get a Mimikyu both as a fun collector's pin and totally disguised foil promo card. Take the crafty road into victory with Mimikyu. And I believe, let's see. I hear my neighbors playing music really loudly outside. I hope it's not picked up on camera. But we'll see, won't we? Oh, I just rammed my finger into the dang table. I'm sorry if I come off really awkward. I try not to swear when I make these videos, when I actually in real life I swear a ton. So if I say stuff like, oh, neato, I really mean to say like a lot of expletives, or if I'm like, gosh dang it, again, that's meant to be more expletives. So here's the precious little Mimikyu pin. I'm in love with him. This is probably the biggest, like I would have paid $20 just for this. Not really, but this was my motivation for buying him. He's got lots of detail, very shiny, very precious. He's a good boy. Excuse the garbage. It's just here. So here's that hollow promo foil. Let's see if I can get that to focus. Hey! I don't know how I did it before. Well, here he is. So we've got a Fates Collide, and then 2 Sun and Moon. Oh, and here's that, if you want it. I don't. Excuse that gross scratch on my table. Only the fanciest here. Alright, so let's start with this one. Don't know why, but I'm just feeling good about it. Well, there's a spoiler. So here's that. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Professor Kuki, Kukyu, I can't say his name. These names, I'm struggling. I'm trying, but I'm struggling. Golbat, Repel, Spoiled Caterpie, Sandygast, Roggenrola, Cosmog, Fromantis, a nice reverse hollow Dupeter, and Stoutland, and an Energy. Fairy Energy. this to the stack. I've got a great giant stack of cards that I have them organized into boxes by like rarity and foil, like promos and like energies and blah blah blah. I have a bunch of boxes in my closet, and I got a big stack of cards about that high that needs to be organized. So here's that. We got a Great Ball, a Passimian, Team Skull Grunt, Paris, a Furo, Litten, Young Goose, Surskit, a Reverse Hollow Palo Sand, a Cosmoem. That's neat, I don't have that one. Neat. That's neat. And a Fairy Energy. The last one of the day is an X and Y Fates Collide. So these are a little older. We got that. 1, 2, 3 at the front. So we've got N, Helix Fossil. I'll praise the Helix Fossil. Arduino Spirit Link, Whismer, Mincino, Volby, Larvitar, Coughing, a Reverse Hollow Fairy Garden, and an Alakazam EX. That's not too bad. And he's kind of in focus. I love these textured foil cards. He's really pretty. Well, that's not too bad at all. Not bad at all. Where'd he go? So we've got the Tortonator GX and my Alakazam EX. It's not a bad pull at all. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. That's quite good. Let's stand this mess. I'm gonna stick these guys up on my cork board. Oh my god, garbage after I throw it to the side. Alright. Ta-da! Well, thank you everybody so much for watching. I really do appreciate it while hanging in there while my channel grows and I develop my content and all that. And thank you. Hopefully I will be doing more Pokemon videos, but I don't want that to be the only thing I do. I will definitely get back more into hair and makeup videos, but Pokemon is just something I really enjoy as well. And I enjoy watching other people card opening videos. And I also plan on being more active just in general. And yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. Love you. Bye.